Good morning friends, I am Shabina. Today we are going to discuss about explosion. So what is explosion? Explosion is a chemical reaction which is basically exothermic in nature. The products which are inside it, the products getting heated up to extremely high temperature and they exert pressure, so it shatters the confining walls. And the explosion reaction, they are very rapid and they are associated with oxidation reactions. They releases heat, light and large amount of energy. So the explosive material, it consists of chemical compounds or a mixture or the mixture which when subjected to sudden shock gets oxidized and releases large amount of energy in a fraction of second, in a very extremely short period of time, which can be observed in the form of explosion. So the explosives, they are of various types. They can be low explosives or high explosives. Low explosives are mild explosives. When we uses pataka during Diwali season, we uses low explosives only because the low explosives are used in pyrotechnics. They are not much devastating type. They burns but in a controlled manner. The action of low explosives is less shattering and they produce large amount of gas. So when we burns pataka during wedding season, it produces huge amount of gas but it does not cause huge problems. Then why we put pataka during wedding season? So the low explosives, they are used in missile propellants and pyrotechnics. They are ordinary pataka. They are used in ordinary pataka, low explosives. But high explosives, they are also known as secondary explosives. The energy contained in high explosives are really very high, but they cannot explode without the use of primary explosives. The high explosives, that is the secondary explosives, they explode with great violence, but they can be initiated with the help of primary explosives. So a small amount of primary explosive is also come in contact with high explosives. High explosives, they can be divided into military and industrial explosives. Military high explosive generally consists of single substance, but the industrial high explosive, they can consist of single substance or a mixture. So guys, we have to know about primary explosives also, because high explosives cannot explode with the help of primary explosives. So what is primary explosives? Primary explosives, they are highly sensitive category of explosives. Normally primary explosives are used for initiating the low explosives, that is the high explosives. They are called initiating explosives. Means we study that the explosives are of low I can recall some points. Okay, explosives can be low explosives or high explosives. Low explosives are used in ordinary pataka. They are mild explosives, and the high explosives, they are high energy content explosives, and they are used for devastation, for destroying the materials, and they can explode only when come in contact with primary explosives. So primary explosives are called detonators. Thank you friends. This is all about today. If you like the video, please do share and comment and subscribe the channel.